My name is Sofia. I live in a small apartment in New York City. I am 22 years old, and I usually love my life. But today, I feel sad. Really, really sad. My heart feels heavy, and I can't stop thinking about what happened. Let me tell you my story. This morning started like any other day. I woke up at 7 a.m., brushed my teeth, and made myself a cup of coffee. I stood by the window, looking at the city streets below. The sun was shining, and everything seemed normal. I picked up my phone and sent a message to my boyfriend, Alex. "Good morning," I typed with a smile, but Alex didn't reply. That wasn't like him. He always replied quickly, even if he was busy. Something felt wrong. As the hours passed, I started to feel uneasy. Alex had been acting strange for a few weeks now. He didn't call as often, and when we talked, he seemed distracted. I tried to convince myself that it was nothing. Maybe he's just busy with work, I thought. But deep down, I felt something was wrong. The truth. In the afternoon, I decided to meet Alex. I called him and asked if we could talk. He agreed but sounded nervous. We met at our favorite coffee shop. I looked at him and smiled, but he couldn't meet my eyes. "What's wrong, Alex?" I asked. He hesitated, then said, "Sofia, I need to tell you something." My heart started to race. "I've been seeing someone else," he said quietly. I felt like the ground beneath me had disappeared. My hands trembled, and tears filled my eyes. "Why, Alex?" I asked. "What did I do wrong?" "You didn't do anything wrong," he said. "It's me. I made a mistake." The pain. I couldn't believe it. The person I trusted the most had betrayed me. I felt angry, hurt, and confused all at once. I got up and left the coffee shop without saying another word. When I got home, I sat on my bed and cried. My heart ached, and I didn't know how to make the pain stop. Learning to let go. That evening, I called my best friend, Mia. She listened as I poured out my feelings. "Sofia, you didn't deserve this," she said. "It's okay to feel sad, but remember, this is not the end. You are strong, and you will get through this." Mia's words gave me some comfort. I realized that Alex's actions were his choice, not a reflection of my worth. I wrote in my journal that night, "I will cry today, but tomorrow I will stand up. I will heal, and I will love myself more than ever." The next morning, I woke up feeling a little lighter. The pain was still there, but I decided to take one small step forward. I went for a walk in the park, listened to my favorite music, and treated myself to a warm cup of tea. I know it will take time, but I believe I can move on. I will find happiness again, because I deserve it. This is my story. Have you ever faced something that broke your heart? How did you find the strength to heal?